What's the meaning of bullfinch? Bullfinch. Bullfinch.
Bullfinch. Bullfinch. A bullfinch is a type of bird that belongs to the finch family. The male bullfinch has a distinctive appearance, with a reddish-pink breast and a gray back, while the female has a more subdued coloring. They are typically found in Europe and Asia, and prefer wooded areas with thick undergrowth. Bullfinches feed on seeds and insects, and are known for their beautiful song. They have been popular subjects in art and literature throughout history, and are often associated with the winter season due to their resilience in cold temperatures.